So, this program po is patient monitoring system. So, the first line po is the function para i-check kung normal or kailangan ng attention ng isang patient. So, ito po yun. So, dito po is kung mataas po yung temperature, heart rate, or blood pressure is need attention. Then, kung sobrang baba naman po ng vital sign is need attention din po. So, kung lahat naman po is normal, then babalik po siya sa normal. Then, dito naman po is yung counter. So, total ng patient, kung ilang patient yung normal, then kung ilang patient ang need ng attention. So, ito po yung main loop ng program. Hihingiin yung patient name, type done to finish. So, kapag nag-type po ng done is titigil na po dun yung loop. Next is hihingiin din po yung age, body temperature, heart rate, and blood pressure po. So, in the condition, yung function po is tatawagin para po i-check if the condition, para po ma-check yung condition ng patient. So, dito naman po is yung patient details and condition. Next is yung total patients. Dadagdag po yung bilang ng patient. So, if condition is normal, dadagdag po sa normal. Then, kapag hindi naman po, is sa attention po siya madadagdagan. Next is summary. So, dito po yung summary lahat ng patient. So, dito po makikita ko yung total ng patient, ilan yung normal, ilan yung kailangan ng medical attention. So, yan. Then, body temperature. Blood pressure. So, yan po.